Hi guys, in front of me is Realme GT2 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text, and once you see the keyboard you need to tap on settings icon. Here go to languages, tap on add keyboard and select the language that you want to apply. So let me choose for example this one, tap on done, and now remove unnecessary language, go back, and as you can see it has been done. So this is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily change a keyboard language. Whenever you wish to go back to previous language or maybe add another one, just perform the same trick. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.